Hello everybody, Dr. Marcelo Dr here in this time of the year, just lecturing around the world with level 1 and level 2, be updating on regenerative medicine, in aesthetic medicine, cosmetic dermatology, all the topics that are related to the aesthetic medical field with everybody else like me doing research. We're going to bring the lab to the Congress and we're going to give you brief 20-minute blogs of all the updates of 2022 and 2023 from regenerative medicine to the wound healing advances in terms of laser resurfacing and the chemical peels.
Hello, I'm Dr. Nadine. I'm an international faculty member of the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine, and I would love to invite you all to join our 19th Congress of AAAM on Las Vegas, Nevada, USA on the coming November 10 to 12. Don't miss it.
November 10, 11 and 12 will be in Las Vegas and I hope you join us.